Hey, beautiful energy. Welcome to your self-care moment. Skin and body wellness is the perfect combination of health and beauty. Each video is based on scientific knowledge and practical tips explained in a simple and easy way. This channel is not just for watching, it helps you improve your lifestyle. Today we're talking about blackheads gone in 60 seconds. And yes, we're sharing a simple, safe DIY remedy you can try at home. Blackheads are a type of acne called open comedones. They happen when your pores get clogged with oil, sebum. Dead skin cells build up. The pore stays open and oxidizes, turns dark when exposed to air. Common causes: oily skin, hormonal changes, heavy makeup, not exfoliating properly. Good news? Blackheads are manageable with the right routine. When you clear blackheads safely, pores look smaller, skin appears smoother, makeup applies better. You reduce future breakouts. Your skin looks fresh and clean. Now, let's get to the simple remedy. This remedy helps loosen blackheads fast, sometimes in under 60 seconds after steaming. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon baking soda, 1 to 2 teaspoons water. That's it. Why this works? Baking soda acts as a gentle exfoliant. It helps remove excess oil and dead skin cells sitting on top of blackheads. How to make it? Mix 1 tablespoon baking soda with a little water. Stir until it forms a thick paste. Not too runny, not too dry. Simple and affordable. How to use it? Step 1. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser. Step 2. Steam your face for 1 to 2 minutes using warm water or a warm towel. This softens the pores. Step 3. Apply the paste to blackhead areas, usually nose, chin, or forehead. Step 4. Gently massage in circular motions for 60 seconds. Step 5. Rinse with lukewarm water. Step 6. Apply a lightweight moisturizer. For better long-term results, add a salicylic acid cleanser to your weekly routine. It goes deeper into pores and prevents new blackheads from forming. Consistency is key. If you love simple, science-based self-care tips, like this video, subscribe to Skin and Body Wellness, and comment clear skin if you're starting today. Your glow-up journey starts now.